Crypto, back with a very short update for the Bitcoin price. Gonna tell you my immediate expectations for Bitcoin here in the short term. What levels are important to break and which ones are the ones that actually make the market here. So pulling the big fibs from the last cycle top to the actual bottom, okay, you're gonna see that there's one level of major importance, which is the $69,000 level, obviously the old all-time high. To be honest, I like to take here the $69,100-ish level. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin is currently right now exactly battling with this specific level of the old all-time high, which is marked here as the blue line. You see that there is a bull and bear fight going on right now. The market could either break down further from here and continue something like a B, C move, okay, come down further here and then actually create a bigger triple top, okay, which is very not good, and then actually come down quite a bit. Or the market could today confirm the W structure breakout here that we have on this level, okay. And as I see it, it really looks like Bitcoin confirms this major W structure here today at the price of 68,200. So our immediate daily range today is 69 to 68,200. The moment you see one of those levels break, I think this is either a sign to go long, okay? So if you break here and you break it beautifully and you, for example, manage to clear out this downtrend that actually started yesterday because you broke down on this trend, so the uptrend definitely stopped here in a way. You managed to break back up here on this downtrend, for example. Okay, you are all good, you're all bullish. But if the market, for example, comes up here to this trend and then pushes down and then breaks 68,200, I rather see Bitcoin correcting. And let me show you actually to where I would either say we take this, okay, and we pull the fibs, and we will once again go into the area of around 62,000 before continuing higher here for Bitcoin to kind of take this liquidity, or at least confirm this liquidity right here that we have. All right. Or we are aiming for the bigger fibs and the market will actually pull back into the range here of $59,000 to $55,000 to actually take out this liquidity from this wick. So the market goes below those areas. If you have to ask me, I'm tending more towards the bearish scenario in the short term, okay, and then the market can go up another time, maybe to then put in an all-time high at some point. But I'm not just blindly bullish. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. And also I have to show you and tell you that there is one option that this whole move here is an expanding flat, let's say, where the correction, the B wave of the whole correction goes above the old all-time high. So let me pull that expanding flat. This would be the A wave here. This would be an overshooting B wave, and then you would still have an A with a lower actual high, which would bring Bitcoin to around 10,000. This is called expanding flat. Yes, what could be signs for that actually? Let's take this Elliott wave structure one time out of the context here, and let's actually mark a potential real 1-2 setup here for the market. Okay, guys. So if we take a big 1-2, I would say this is your 1, this is your 2. Okay, this was your big wave 3, and now you had your wave 5 actually completing the full impulse here for Bitcoin. So within itself, we should very soon get a big push to the downside, something like into the 30k-ish areas, a pullback maybe into the 52k area, which was heavy support and resistance, and then a final drop here in wave C into those lower areas that I just mentioned, which would be typical for a flat correction. Okay, so that is the danger, and that is why it is so important that Bitcoin majorly clears this old all-time high level, because if not, the flat opportunity for the bears still remains valid. And I don't wanna say too much to you guys, but I have friends that have made like 100K from nothing, which is cool. And these guys are not planning on selling at all, and those are big warning signs for me personally. Um, and if we take a look one time at the weekly chart, and we can see that Bitcoin is constantly forming a bearish divergence on the weekly chart. So you have a high, you have a lower high here, a lower high. If you see where the box will go, the box will go constantly down. And also here you have lower highs and another one. It's always curling down the strength of Bitcoin, and we have been here in the green. We have been overextended. I do not see a bearish divergence here, but I see a bearish divergence actually forming right there, which is not a clear one. So I can't give you full on indications, but market definitely lost heavy strength between the top so far on the 10th of March and yeah, where the market actually is right now. And then now let's just take a look at when this top here for Bitcoin was. This was the 13th of April, so that would be, yes, 1 month on top of that. Just pay attention, guys. I just want to say it, okay? Just want to say it. If the market does something like it did over here, that is also possible. Like you get something like in the middle, the structure, you have one more push up, one more high after the market tries to break down, and then boom, there you go. And that has been it. So just be a bit careful. It's a bit scary right now for me to see everybody just blindly bullish while that flat correction option is still in the cards. And it would be nice for Bitcoin because it would reset the whole structure of Bitcoin, of cryptocurrency. It would fully reset everything that we have, that the whole downtrends here would be completely reset. So yeah, guys, that is it. So I'm expecting either the market to continue up, or let's say it goes down in a different manner. But what level needs to hold and break? For the bullish side, we are holding the 68,100 level, which was confirmed here nicely. If that holds, we are easy in for the continuation. I mean, the pi cycle top indicator, for example, for Bitcoin here, actually has a lot of space, and it was always right calling the top. So this one is the one that is extremely bullish, guys. So this indicator is extremely bullish. I'm just saying, it looks absolutely amazing. It looks absolutely insane. According to this, the market can go to huge numbers. So yeah, basically that's the two scenarios: pi cycle top versus flat correction. We will see the levels decide in the short term. I can also see one more push coming, and then the market goes down. I will keep you updated, but watch those two levels today: 69,100 and 68,200 for make and break of bullish and bearish today. You don't want to invalidate this W. Have a nice day trading. I wish you a beautiful one. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Cheers.